Year to you all. Hard to believe we are now in 2025. As a homeowner, have you been waiting for the new year to list your home? Or are you a buyer that is looking to purchase this coming year? If so, you are probably curious about the latest 2025 housing forecast. Hi, I'm Suma Sridhar, Realtor and Real Estate Broker from the Bay Area. Let us break down the National Association of Realtors Housing Forecast and what it means for you. First, let us take a look at the market overview. The NAR projects the 9% increase in existing home sales for 2025. This optimistic forecast is fueled by stabilizing mortgage rates and a strengthening job market. According to NAR chief economist, home sales depend mainly on jobs and mortgage rates. And with employment on the rise, more buyers are planning to purchase homes this coming year. This also means that sellers will see the favorable market and list their home, helping with the inventory supply. NAR also predicts that home prices should increase about 2% nationally this year. This is a steady appreciation, creating a more balanced market for both buyers and sellers. Buyers will have more opportunity to build on their equity, and sellers will see the gains they have made on their long-term investments. A win-win for both buyers and sellers. We should also see mortgage rates continue to be the driving force in the market. While we may not return to the 4% rates of the past, rates should stabilize around 6%. Finally, what should these trends look like for your local area? According to the NAR, these national trends are promising as we look ahead to the year of housing. Stabilizing rates and modest price appreciation should make homeownership more attainable and attractive for both buyers and sellers. This is a good news if you are in the market to buy or sell. Having an experienced agent by your side can make all the difference in navigating this market. If you want up-to-date information on your local inventory, prices and trends, connect with me and my team. We are here to provide the insights you need to make confident decisions. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, Realtor and Real Estate Broker in the Bay Area, serving buyers and sellers with integrity and excellence. When you do what you love, people love what you do. Thanks for watching. Wishing you an amazing day.